Hello everyone for my channel. Today I show probably first movie in YouTube how get out cooling system for oil filter in BMW E60. First you must get out cover from the top, open here, make sure about this cold engine, because it's low pressure is nothing happen. You have got one pipe from here. When you get out, you can out of all water. Here is a one small pin. You must a little bit move out and easy for get out. After that you have 6 screw for the torques. When you get out this cooling, you must remove these parts. Cleaning must be dry. Fit new one. And that's it. Is 2 screw, you don't have too much space, but if you have a screw with 2 size extension, it should be alright. I bought one original parts from BMW. Probably is the best option. Inside you have a all set with screw and these parts. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.